written by Fred Ebb and John Kander, orchestrated by Don Costa, and stolen by me. Start spreading the news. I am leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York, these vagabond shoes, they are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York, I want to wake up in that city that doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. My little town blues, they are melting away. I'm gonna make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York. Da-da-da-da. In New York, New York, in that city that doesn't sleep